Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.55 in blockchain, which is notably high compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just a minor fluctuation. It indicates a significant shift in positive sentiment despite a 24-hour momentum drop of minus 0.20. You might want to pay attention to the fact that there are 17 semantic clusters emerging from this data, hinting at diverse discussions around blockchain topics that could be ripe for exploration. Our API returns comprehensive insights that encapsulate sentiment, momentum, and thematic clusters, giving you the tools to gauge community sentiment effectively. Imagine integrating this into your trading model to filter out noise and focus on bullish signals. Dive deeper into how our API can enhance your projects by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.